Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install TeamViewer. First, open your browser and search for TeamViewer. Go to www.teamviewer.com. The TeamViewer, the remote desktop software. Next, go to download. If you're using Windows, go to TeamViewer for Windows and click download TeamViewer. Wait for download to finish and then run the setup file. Now, when TeamViewer open, click personal or non-commercial use and click accept finish to install TeamViewer. Wait for TeamViewer finish install. Wait until your ID and password appear. Sometimes, TeamViewer may fail to install. What you can do, disable your antivirus and run the setup file again. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.